If you have a house in Etna, Ohio that you're looking to sell and you want to sell to a direct buyer so you don't want to pay any commissions or fees or anything like that, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Payerton, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses all over Etna, all over Central Ohio, and the reason so many sellers in Etna like working with us is we are a direct buyer, so there are no real estate commissions or realtor, real estate agents involved. There's no fees or anything like that coming off of your bottom line. Now, before I explain why so many sellers in Etna prefer to work with us, I will just say this: I'm not against real estate agents and realtors. They do a great job for many people, but they are better suited typically for a seller that has a house that's in perfect condition and the seller has all the time in the world to sell. This way, that real estate agent could, do open houses. They can blast the house all over the internet. They can get all sorts of people walking through. They can arrange their formal inspections, appraisals. They're not going to have any issues or repairs that are needed or anything like that. If that is the seller that you are, you might consider doing a real estate agent. You are going to pay for commissions and fees and whatnot. But if you're a seller that doesn't want to do any work to the house at all, and you just want to sell very simply, you don't want a bunch of people walking through the house, you want a fast or flexible closing, so you don't want to work with a buyer that is relying on this bank financing to come through, waiting for this approval to happen. If you just want to sell directly to a buyer, no commissions, no fees, close on the date of your choice, and not have to do any work to the house at all, we're going to be a better fit for you. Now, many sellers in Etna, they think, I would love that. I would love to sell the property to a direct buyer, not pay any fees, commissions, do any work or anything like that. But what about the paperwork? Isn't the paperwork more complicated? I mean, I'm selling a house here. How am I going to get through this? Don't I need a realtor to help me through this? Well, I'm here to let you know. When you sell to us as a direct buyer, it's actually way more simple than if you marketed, listed, and sold with a real estate agent. When you sell to us, there is literally one piece of paper that we need to go through together. One piece of paper that just it acknowledges you're the seller, we're the buyer, here's the address, here's the purchase price, here's the closing date, and the buyer, us, is buying the house in its as-is condition. Done. That's it. It's one piece of paper written in friendly 14-point font that anyone could read here. There's no mountain of disclosures you need to sign your life away and all this craziness. It's not that way at all. When you're selling with a real estate agent, there's 20, 30, 40 pages for you to go through, and a lot of it has to do with disclosures. You're filling out paper on lead-based paint. When was the last time you had a lead-based paint test? When was the last time anyone had this stuff, right? Like, you don't know. You don't know if there's mold behind the fridge. You don't know if there's what's going on. So there's a lot more stuff for you to do. When you're selling with a real estate agent, here's the key with us. As is. Done. It's as is. There's no, even if we found mold, even if we found lead-based paint, we don't care, right? There's no coming back to you after we bought your house and say, oh, we want you to help us and treat something. No, we're buying the house as is. So that's what allows this thing to be so simple. You don't need to agree to treating anything. There's no credits. There's no, repair. There's no remedies you need to do. You don't need to go to the Home Depot. You don't need to go to Ace Hardware. You don't need to hire a handyman. You don't need to do anything. And there's not a lot of walkthroughs either. So when you sell your house in Etna, we just need to do a basic walkthrough. We're not doing formal inspections and appraisals and things like that. So if you have a house in Etna, you're looking to sell the house, not pay any fees or commissions, sell to a direct buyer, we're going to be a good fit for you. We have hundreds and hundreds of reviews, testimonials, references for you. We're local. We're not a call center. We're not blasting people's phones and saying, hey, texting you randomly at night and saying, hey, do you want to sell your house? A lot of that is just real estate marketing companies. A lot of that's call centers. And a lot of that stuff is not even located in the state of Ohio. And a lot of it's not even located in the United States. So if you want to work with a local that's going to treat you like a neighbor, I'll get on the phone with you. It's going to be me. It's an easy conversation. There is no pressure. There's no forcing you into anything. I just need to know more information on the house and then know more information on when you're looking to sell, and we'll take it from there. It's really that simple. I'll make you a fair cash offer on your house in Etna, and then if that works for you, great, we'll move forward. If it doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands, part as friends, and move on. There's no bad taste in your mouth. There's no haggling. There's no gimmicks or sales tactics or anything like that. So if you have a house in Etna, you want to get this thing sold to a direct buyer, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.